Hi guys, Zevlog here, and we parked, we got our stuff. I could rent a boat for 20 euros for 1 hour. We gonna enter this bad boy. Okay, that's really heavy. Did not think to steer the boat myself, but it's awesome, I like it. So, I got it, I got the drone shots. They are stunning, beautiful. Maybe one of my best drone shots. That's so awesome. The air is so clean, it's so relaxing. There are not a lot of people at the moment. And now we will visit that bad boy and see what's on the island. So, the wind, yes, the wind. Now we are in a church. I think the wind is calming down. Now let's visit the church. We're on the island. Those stairs killing me. This church is wonderful. But it's not looking that old, because they keep it up to date, I guess. I will try to film you while I'm paddling, but I don't know if the camera can do this. So you're putting it right here. Yes, here, it's a good one. Let's get back to the shore. Oh, if I'm moving, this falls. Okay. Is this better? Paddling for starters, you paddle backside. So behind me is the front, but you don't really see where you're going. So I need to turn first, and now we can go both sides. Oh no! You got this. Oh god! Nice you though. I can save you. You got better movement than me. So, do you see that? I want to go there. When we're done here, I'll go. Okay, this is no sponsorship, but this with ice in this moment is like perfect. Ooh. Yeah, I got the place for the night. It's a very nice camping site. So I'm not the hotel guy. And this is just beautiful in the middle of the nature with the birds. Yeah, singing. So then you come here if you also not liking hotels like me. So there you go. Yeah, I'm searching around the camping site, and they got, I don't know what that is. What's that? Oh, I think they're building new parking spots or new spots to camp, right? Or wrong? And like a camping site, and look at this. This is the camping. Wow, that's why people have such good quality vehicles. I don't like. If you just see this, you really want to stay in a boring white room? No, no, no. And for the Slovenian people, they are so amazing. Like, there is a sign. It sums up Slovenia for me, for the locals and for the people here who are working here. That's really awesome. They are really awesome people. Visit Slovenia. Like really, Slovenia wasn't on my list. Visit countries, or I need to visit nations, countries. you need to visit Slovenia if you want to have beauty in the nature with rocks and mountains and the Alps and the sea with the water. It got so much stuff. I got one day here and it's not enough. The island isn't even the only attraction. You will see it, I got not in the video, but you will see it when you get in a night here. In a night on Lake Bled, it's beautiful. In May, I was here in May, so it's best timing, I guess. I talked to a guy who rent boats. So he said they took 2 hours in lane to get the boat for 20 euros an hour. So it's really crowded if it's full here. But when you go May, it's very awesome, it's nice. And like I said, it's not even the main attraction, that island. There's a castle on a rock. I've never seen such a rock. And it's awesome, it's stunning. And there's a church and there's a church. Oh, and the camping place. If you go to this camping place, this is awesome. That's the best one I've seen so far. I was in the city and that was not so nice. But if you're a hotel guy or woman, girl, but for campers it's this way. It's on the end of Lake Bled, so just keep moving till you see Camping Bled. I will go with the, oh wait, there's the branding. Then you can go do it in Google. Just type that in Google and then you should be here. So because of the island and the church on it, the word of the video is of course church. Yeah, it's Kirche in German, Kirche, die Kirche, church in English, of course, you know, Chiesa, Chiesa in Italian, and I looked it up, sorry if I mispronounce, Červek in Slovenian. So you got 4 languages on this road trip. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, because this place got a place in my heart now. It's one of the best places I've ever visited. If you get a chance, go here, Lake Bled, Slovenia. Yeah, I need to say bye bye to that great place. So now we go further. Bye bye Lake Bled, you are awesome. This is just a beautiful place and we see you in the next one. Bye bye.